Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Bath in the UK, and this is the Pulteney Bridge behind me. You can see it back there in the incredible water thing. But let me show you a little bit better picture. So this is, that bridge right there is the Pulteney Bridge, and you can see the water here is just amazing. Wow. And the whole thing is pretty incredible. And the water goes down both sides. This is almost like a little island here. So there's water on that side and on this side. And there's boats and tours you can do. But let me get a little closer here and show you the Pulteney Bridge. And I'm hoping I'm saying it right, but I'm sure I'm probably not. But wow. Let me get over here a little bit more and get you a better picture of the bridge. And the buildings around it are incredible, and the streets really cute, and it's a pretty old little town. I know the Roman baths are like 2,000 years old, or, you know, give or take. Wow. Yeah, that's spectacular, isn't it? Wow. Wow, wow. Incredible. Is that amazing? Wow. Let's go look down the bridge and see what's there. It looks like it's just a shopping street. Very cool. Wow, wow. Oh, and look at the pastries and stuff too. Oh my. Wow, that looks wonderful. Anyway, all right everybody. This is the Pulteney Bridge. So, very cool. Wow, wow. And I'm walking in the middle of the street, so I'm probably going to get ran over, so. Wow. I'm hungry too, by the way. Cherry rhubarb slices, $3.20, or £3.20. I don't know how that all works, but so like $4 or $5. Wow. So now we've crossed the Pulteney Bridge. Pretty amazing, huh? Anyway, I guess I won't go any further. I wanted to just share with you the bridge, so very good. Okay, everybody, thanks for coming along. Bye-bye. All right, everybody, I crossed the bridge and I found this, Riverside Walk. Disabled persons can obtain access via the River Walk, via the Grove Street, blah, blah, blah. But there's a set of stairs, and you know, I showed you that, you know, obviously there's both two sides to a river, and so this gets you to the other side. Wow. Very cool. A little restaurant right down here. That's a big dog.
You know what I mean, mate? It's almost just what he said himself.
Wow. There's certainly a lot of people out. I guess a sunny day brings out everybody, huh? Pulteney cruises. Interesting. Wow. Let's go over here and I'll show you this too. Wow. Amazing. Very cool. Wow. Very cool. All right. Well, that's it. Pulteney Bridge, everybody. Bye-bye.